In this video, you're going to learn all about LifterLMS memberships. So what are memberships? We've been looking a lot at courses, but a membership is a way to sell multiple courses at once, or also access to other like non-LMS content like specific pages or parts of pages or posts, blog posts, that sort of thing. But most people using LifterLMS are using it to sell groups of courses. Now it's important to note that you can sell a bunch of courses at once, but they inside of a membership, but they can also be sold individually, separately as well, like you see here. So if we go to this course and we look at the pricing plan, you can see the a la carte options, or this where you can buy this course without buying the membership with a one-time payment or a payment plan. Or you can get it with the membership, in this case with the gold membership. So if we go over here to the gold membership, you can see the membership itself has its own access plans. So you can get a payment plan, you can pay $99 for 3 months, and you get a $1 trial for a week. So this means you get all the courses for the first week for $1. And then after that first week, it's going to be $99 a month for 3 months. Or you could do a one-time payment right now, which it happens to be on sale for $149, and get all the courses today for one price. So if we go back to our courses here, we set up all these courses to have a similar pricing model. They all have a single payment option, a payment plan option, or you can also get them all at once by purchasing through the membership. So you don't have to use memberships if they're not of interest to you. Perhaps just access plans for individual courses is good enough for you. But if you're looking to do more complex sales or packages that you sell at one time, then you'll want to look into LifterLMS memberships. And let's just take a quick look at the back end of what's possible in the memberships. So I'm going to edit this gold membership, and you can see where you can put in a description and a non-members description. So we weren't, and over here in terms of restrictions, this is pretty cool. If somebody tries to access some members only content, you can stay on the page. You can redirect to this membership page, you can redirect to a WordPress page, or you can redirect to a custom URL. So that's a pretty neat little feature there. After you get redirected, you can display a custom message. So you must belong to the membership level to access this content, and you can modify that message if you like. And then over here in auto enrollment, when a student joins this membership, they will automatically be enrolled in these courses at once. So if you want to add a new course that's not already auto enrolled, you can. In most cases, people want to auto enroll membership, but if you have, like, for example, a giant course catalog, like hundreds or thousands of courses, you may want people to buy the membership and get access to everything, but be able to enroll in individual courses as they see fit. So down here we have some access plans, just like you saw with courses. So I won't get into that, but it's the same system. You can have as many access plans as your creativity comes up with for your pricing model. And I just want to show you one more setting over here. And I just want to show you one more membership setting over here, where if you were to lock down the entire site to a membership level, what that would mean is that if I am going to come to your website, this is the only page I'm going to be able to see, basically the checkout pages where I can purchase this membership, read the terms and conditions page here, and those are the only pages visible outside of the membership. So that's more of your traditional membership site where you lock down everything. And that's just a little more information about the super powerful LifterLMS membership system. You do not need a third-party membership plugin. We've got you covered. Everything's included and inside the core LifterLMS. And just to check it out in terms of a page, a regular old WordPress page, if you want to protect that by a membership level and make it viewable to only members, you can just over here on the side of any post page or other thing like a bbPress forum, you could restrict this page by selecting that restriction box and then simply enter the membership level you want to restrict the page to. So let's go ahead and publish that page, and we can view that page up, and you can see that this user is not allowed to see that page, so they got redirected to the membership. So that was a members only piece of content. So just to be crystal clear, courses automatically protect the lessons and the quizzes and everything inside, so you don't need to use a LifterLMS membership to protect individual lessons. Courses do that. But if you want to protect groups of courses inside of a product, package them together, and package content outside of the standard LMS courses and lessons, you can do that using a LifterLMS membership.